How you doing today, sir?
Pretty good. I'm just looking for a couple like home defense options. Trying to see if you guys had like a
shotgun or something.
Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely. I guess actually sweet little setup right here. This guy's Beretta 1301, man. Boy,
Okay.
howdy.
Yeah,
Well, guys, let me
definitely.
just close this door down here real quick. Woo! Yeah, ain't that true? Ain't that true? Yeah, shoot, absolutely. Sure.
Yeah, the shotgun's cool. But you got a good revolver.
Yeah, absolutely. Looking for that big iron, my
Big
friend.
iron,
Yes,
hopefully.
indeedy, brother.
All
So
right.
there is that little single action guy right there.
Okay, good deal, good deal. Yeah, I like that one. All right.
Yes, indeedy. She's a heater. A heater.
You got a GSG 22?
Yeah, a
GSG
little
16?
planking action.
Yeah.
Certainly, certainly. You even get that little HK slap action, you know, shoot.
Let's see. Yeah, I like that one. All right.
Yep. Oh, yeah.
Say no on that one. You got a good AK?
Yeah, absolutely. A little Zastava, Serbian, so beautiful walnut and everything. She is quite pretty.
Cool, nice. Yeah, that one's all right, I guess.
Okay, everybody's safe.
You got a M1 carbine?
M1 carbine, yeah.
Yeah.
This guy's a little auto ordnance repop.
Cool. Oh, yeah. Okay. Yeah, still not the one.
Still not the one. All right, let's keep it going. Keep it going.
Yeah, that carbine didn't seem strong enough for home defense. You got an
fair.
M1 Garand?
A Grand 30-06.
Yeah.
Okay, I like your style. Dang it, I like your style. There's that M1 Grand, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Boom. Yeah, I'll take that.
You're taking that. Yeah, let's get that background check going. We'll get that going first.